Hey everyone, welcome back to Tent City, Poland. This is my friend Raylan. He's going to be asking me 3 questions today to help with my impromptu speech. So, Raylan, what 3 questions do you have for me today?
So, one question is, what is your favorite laptop brand and why? What is your favorite? Where is your favorite place to go here in Europe so far? And what do you miss back home the most?
All right, so I think I'm going to answer where my favorite place to visit in Europe is. And to be honest, I don't necessarily have one. I went to Dachau, I went to the concentration camp, and it was really I wouldn't say emotional for me, but it was definitely an educational experience because I didn't know that it was one of the first concentration camps actually built, and all the other different concentration camps were formed around Dachau. So Auschwitz, its whole process for doing everything was based off of Dachau's original plans, and that's where a lot of the SS guards that took over different camps throughout Europe came from was Dachau. The other place that I liked is Poznan, simply because I got my new tattoo there, and they did really good work. So, there's answering your question. Raylan, thank you again for sitting and going through this presentation with me.
No problem, man. No
And
problem.
everybody else, have a great week, and I hope you enjoyed the video.